It only takes one mistake, one sharp turn, one gust of wind, one overlooked detail, and your relaxing RV trip turns into a disaster. Today, we're diving into the towing mistakes that cause crashes, breakdowns, and blown-out vacations, because knowing them could save your rig, your wallet, and your life. Let's get rolling. One of the most dangerous mistakes RVers make is using a truck that isn't properly rated for their trailer. Just because your vehicle can move a trailer doesn't mean it can tow it safely. Manufacturers advertise maximum tow capacities under perfect conditions. Empty trucks, no passengers, no gear, flat roads. That half-ton truck claiming 10,000 pounds? Once you add passengers, camping equipment, water, propane, and your loaded trailer, you might be dangerously over the limit. Many RVers overlook payload capacity, the total weight your truck can carry, including tongue weight, typically 10 to 15% of trailer weight, passengers, pets, and cargo. Exceeding this strains your suspension and compromises braking, steering, and tire performance. A mismatched combination causes squat, your truck's rear end sagging, which throws off weight distribution and increases dangerous trailer sway at highway speeds. This puts you at risk for jackknifing, blowouts, or complete loss of control. Always check your vehicle's door sticker for GCWR, Gross Combined Weight Rating, GVWR, Gross Vehicle Weight Rating, and Payload Capacity, not marketing materials. When in doubt, follow the 80% rule. Tow no more than 80% of your maximum rating. Choosing the right tow vehicle isn't about having the biggest truck. It's about getting your family safely to your destination and back home again. Flat towing, pulling a car behind your motorhome with all four wheels on the ground, seems simple, but doing it wrong can destroy your vehicle and leave you with thousands in repair bills. Not all cars can be flat towed safely. Many automatic transmissions need the engine running to circulate vital fluids. When the car is off but moving, critical parts can overheat and seize up permanently. Don't assume your car is towable. Even identical models can vary based on engine, transmission, or drivetrain differences. Just because you've seen a similar car being towed doesn't mean yours can handle it. Even flat towable vehicles often require special steps, pulling specific fuses, starting the engine periodically, or installing transmission pumps. Skip these procedures and you could void your warranty or face expensive breakdowns. Check the weight limits too. Your motorhome has maximum towing capacity that includes the car plus all towing equipment, base plate, braking system, and tow bar. Before you hook up, consult the annual dinghy towing guide published by RV magazines and verify all procedures in your car's owner manual. What seems like a money-saving convenience can quickly become a costly nightmare if you cut corners. Your dinghy should enhance your adventure, not end it with a massive repair bill. Exceeding your vehicle's towing capacity is one of the most dangerous mistakes RVers make. It's not just about whether your truck can pull the load, it's about whether you can safely stop, steer, and control it when everything goes wrong. Your vehicle has specific limits: GVWR, Gross Vehicle Weight Rating, GCWR, Gross Combined Weight Rating, axle ratings, and maximum tongue weight. Cross any of these lines and you risk catastrophic brake failure, tire blowouts, suspension collapse, or frame damage. Your truck's brakes, engine, and transmission are designed for safe operation within these limits. Exceed them, and you're gambling with lives. The biggest trap? Underestimating your actual weight. That trailer listed at 6,500 pounds dry can easily hit 8,000 plus pounds when loaded with water, propane, gear, food, and batteries. Add camping toys or extra equipment, and the numbers climb fast. Always weigh your complete setup, passengers, fuel, gear, and all, at a certified truck scale before major trips. Check individual axle weights and total combined weight. Don't guess. Follow the 80% rule. Tow only 80% of your maximum capacity for a safety buffer. Towing overweight might feel fine on flat roads until you hit a steep downhill or need to stop suddenly. That's when physics takes over and disaster strikes. Neglecting towing safety equipment transforms minor problems into life-threatening emergencies. Your trailer's connection to your vehicle is only as reliable as every single safety component, and each one could save your life. Safety chains aren't decorative. They must be crossed under the coupler in an X pattern to cradle the trailer tongue if your hitch fails, preventing it from digging into pavement or breaking free. Loose chains wear down and snap. Overtight chains restrict turning. Get this wrong, and a hitch failure becomes a runaway trailer. The breakaway system, that small cable connected to a switch, activates your trailer's brakes if it detaches. It must attach to your vehicle's frame, not the hitch itself, and needs a charged battery with proper wiring. Without it, a disconnected trailer becomes an uncontrolled missile. Supplemental braking systems are legally required in many states and always required by physics. They ensure your trailer or towed vehicle helps with stopping instead of pushing you forward. Without supplemental brakes, your tow vehicle's brakes can overheat and fail completely. Skipping or misusing these components can result in equipment failure, legal penalties, or deadly accidents. Every connection, latch, and line matters when you're flying down the highway with thousands of pounds behind you. Safety equipment isn't optional. It's the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major tragedy. Speed is one of the most underestimated dangers when towing a trailer or RV. Many RVers assume that if their rig feels stable, it's safe to push the speed limit, but that's a risky illusion. Travel trailers and fifth wheels aren't designed for high-speed travel. Their size, weight, and aerodynamics make them extremely vulnerable to sway, wind resistance, and sudden braking issues. Most trailer tires are speed rated for 65 miles per hour or less. Exceeding that can cause excess heat buildup, leading to tread separation or complete blowouts, especially on long drives or in hot weather. And when a tire blows at 70+ miles per hour, it's not just inconvenient. It can trigger a rollover, jackknife, or uncontrollable sway. Another issue is braking distance. At higher speeds, stopping a fully loaded trailer requires significantly more distance than most drivers expect, sometimes double the normal stopping range. This becomes especially dangerous during sudden stops or downhill descents, where momentum and trailer weight compound quickly. High speeds also amplify sway effects. A minor gust of wind or a passing semi-truck at highway speeds can destabilize your trailer, sending it fishtailing in seconds. The faster you're going, the harder it is to correct, and the more likely you are to lose control. Smart RVers maintain moderate speeds between 55 to 65 miles per hour, adjusting downward for weather, road conditions, or heavy traffic. Slower speeds improve control, reduce stress on your rig, and drastically improve safety margins. Fast doesn't mean efficient, it often means unsafe. Towing is about control, not speed. Ignoring tire pressure while towing is a deadly gamble that catches RVers off guard every day. Trailer tires carry extreme loads and flex constantly under thousands of pounds. Even a small 10 to 15% pressure drop can cause overheating, tread separation, or catastrophic blowouts. Don't treat trailer tires like car tires. Special trailer ST tires should be inflated to the maximum PSY on the sidewall, often 65, 80, or 110 PSI. Many RVers mistakenly use vehicle standards or guess, creating dangerous underinflation. Low pressure means more flexing, more heat, and instability during turns or emergency braking. Overinflation is equally dangerous, especially in hot weather or high elevations, causing uneven wear and reduced traction. Always check pressure when tires are cold before driving. Your tow vehicle's tires are just as critical. Underinflated tires create sluggish steering and poor braking, exactly when you need maximum control during emergencies. Invest in a TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, for real-time alerts on pressure drops or dangerous temperature spikes. These systems can prevent disaster before it strikes. Tire blowouts while towing cause deadly rollovers, swerve-induced crashes, and expensive roadside emergencies. A $15 tire gauge and 5 minutes of checking can be the difference between reaching your destination safely and becoming a roadside statistic. Don't let something so preventable ruin your adventure or your life. Towing isn't just driving with extra weight. It's a completely different skill that most people never bother learning until it's too late. Assuming you'll figure it out on the road is a recipe for property damage, accidents, or worse. Everything changes when you're towing. Your turning radius expands, braking distances double, and rear visibility disappears. During turns, especially right turns, trailers cut corners sharper than your vehicle. Unprepared drivers clip curbs, poles, or other cars regularly. Backing up feels backwards because the trailer moves opposite to your steering input. This unnatural motion leads to jackknifing, campground damage, and major frustration at fuel stations. Braking requires entirely new habits. Thousands of pounds of trailer momentum means stopping distances increase dramatically, especially downhill or on wet roads. Last-second panic braking doesn't work. You need to plan ahead. Practice in an empty parking lot first. Set up cones to simulate campsite backing, tight turns, and navigation challenges. Learn to rely on side mirrors, not your rear view, and make slow, deliberate adjustments. Towing confidence comes from practice, not wishful thinking. Spending a few hours in a parking lot can prevent thousands in damage and save lives, including your own. Don't let your first real towing experience be a learning disaster. Master the basics before you hit the highway. Checking lug nuts might seem minor, minor, but improperly torqued wheels cause one of the most terrifying failures on the road: wheels separating at highway speed. This isn't rare. It happens regularly, especially on new trailers or after tire service. Road vibration slowly loosens lug nuts, particularly if they weren't properly torqued initially. The danger peaks after wheel service, tire rotation, or during your first few hundred miles with a new trailer. When a wheel loosens while towing, it wobbles, shears studs, or completely separates, causing major damage or deadly crashes. Use a torque wrench, not guesswork. Tighten lug nuts to manufacturer specifications, usually 90 to 120 foot-pounds for travel trailers, but check your manual. Recheck after the first 50 to 100 miles, then before each major trip. Don't over-torque either. Excessive force stretches wheel studs and weakens them, creating hidden failures that are harder to detect. Keep a compact torque wrench and correct socket in your toolkit. This 5-minute check can prevent catastrophic failure and save lives. When you're flying down the interstate with thousands of pounds behind you, tight enough isn't good enough. Your wheels need precise torque specifications, not wishful thinking. A $30 torque wrench beats a $30,000 accident every time. Choosing the wrong hitch is a critical mistake that puts lives at risk, especially for first-time RVers who think any connection will do. Your hitch type directly affects how your rig handles, brakes, and stays stable at highway speeds. A basic ball hitch might work for light utility trailers, but once you're towing substantial weight, especially travel trailers over 5,000 pounds, you need serious equipment. Weight distribution hitches redistribute tongue weight evenly across all axles, keeping your tow vehicle level and improving steering, braking, and suspension stability. Sway control is non-negotiable for longer trailers. Wind, passing trucks, and sudden steering inputs create dangerous trailer sway that can cause loss of control. Some weight distribution hitches include built-in sway control. Others need add-on sway bars. If your trailer exceeds 20 feet or 3,500 pounds, sway control isn't optional, it's essential for survival. Don't mismatch hitch classes either. Each class has specific weight limits, and exceeding them causes catastrophic hitch failure. Before your first trip, ensure your hitch matches your trailer's size, weight, and tongue load. Check your trailer's specifications and consult professionals when in doubt. The right hitch doesn't just improve performance, it protects everyone sharing the road with you. Don't gamble with inadequate equipment when lives are on the line. An unlevel trailer might look like a minor issue, but it creates serious safety hazards that many RVers completely ignore. Whether nose high or nose low, an improperly leveled trailer causes excessive sway, uneven tire wear, poor braking, and dangerous stress on your entire rig. Nose-high trailers shift too much weight to the rear axle, reducing front-end traction and braking efficiency. This creates wind resistance and instability at highway speeds, exactly when you need maximum control. Nose-low trailers overload the front axle and increase tongue weight on your hitch, stressing your vehicle's rear suspension, affecting steering, and risking dangerous bottoming out. Proper leveling starts with the right hitch height. Use a drop or rise hitch shank to align your trailer coupler with your tow vehicle's hitch ball. When connected, your trailer should sit level front to back. Use a bubble level or measure frame height at both ends for accuracy. An unlevel trailer doesn't just look wrong. It compromises tire life, fuel economy, and towing safety. Wind gusts hit unlevel trailers differently, creating unpredictable handling that can catch you off guard. Before every trip, spend 5 minutes checking your setup and adjusting as needed. Keeping your trailer level is one of the simplest ways to prevent major towing disasters. Your trailer's attitude affects everything. Make sure it's level-headed. Skipping your pre-trip inspection is gambling with disaster. Even experienced RVers fall into the trap of assuming everything's fine from the last trip, but road stress, vibration, and weather constantly work against your equipment. Components shift, loosen, or fail without warning. Start with a complete 360-degree walk-around. Verify your hitch is properly secured, hitch ball is locked, and safety chains are crossed and clipped correctly. Check your breakaway cable. It must attach to the vehicle frame, not the hitch, and function properly. A failed breakaway system means no trailer brakes if separation occurs. Test all exterior lights, brake lights, turn signals, running lights. Burnt-out bulbs make you invisible in bad weather and are illegal in most states. Inspect your wiring harness for corrosion or damage from road debris. Check tire pressure and condition religiously. Underinflated tires cause most trailer blowouts. Look for cracks, bulges, or uneven wear. Verify all lug nuts are torqued to specification. Test your brake controller before moving, even if it worked perfectly last time. Ensure smooth response and proper trailer brake engagement. Adjust towing mirrors for maximum visibility. This 10 to 15-minute investment prevents hours of roadside delays or catastrophic accidents. Your pre-trip inspection isn't paranoia. It's the difference between reaching your destination safely and becoming a roadside statistic. Don't let preventable failures ruin your adventure. Towing in bad weather isn't just uncomfortable, it's deadly. High winds, heavy rain, snow, and ice transform your rig from a manageable setup into an uncontrollable hazard. Most towing accidents happen because drivers underestimate how severely weather affects their loaded trailer. Crosswinds are trailer killers. A strong gust hitting your trailer's side creates sudden, violent sway that can push you out of your lane or tip the entire rig. Light trailers and those with poor weight distribution become sailing ships in crosswinds. Headwinds and tailwinds strain your engine and brakes, affecting fuel economy and control. Rain and snow slash your safety margins. Wet roads reduce tire traction and braking power. When you're towing thousands of pounds, even 10 extra feet of stopping distance can mean the difference between a close call and a fatal crash. Worn or underinflated tires make hydroplaning almost inevitable. Check detailed weather forecasts before every trip, not just temperature. Look for wind advisories, storm warnings, and precipitation along your entire route. If conditions look dangerous, delay your departure or choose alternative routes. Smart towing means flexibility over schedules. The time saved pushing through bad weather is never worth risking lives. Weather is the one variable you can't control, but you can choose not to drive in it. Your campsite will wait. Your family's safety won't. The most overlooked towing hazard isn't on the road, it's inside your trailer. Unsecured items become dangerous projectiles at highway speeds, turning everyday objects into safety threats that can cause injuries, damage, and loss of control. Loose TVs, microwaves, dishes, and toolboxes become missiles during sudden stops or sharp turns. If passengers are riding in your trailer, where legal, flying objects can cause serious injuries. Passengers, unexpected weight shifts affect trailer balance, causing dangerous sway, poor handling, or tire blowouts. Cargo movement changes your trailer's physics. Items shifting rearward throw off tongue weight, making your trailer tail-heavy and unstable. Objects moving sideways during turns create uneven axle and tire stress, especially dangerous in partially loaded trailers. Secure everything before every trip. Use bungee cords, cargo nets, drawer latches, and non-slip mats religiously. Store heavy items low and near the axles to maintain proper center of gravity. Check all storage compartments and cabinets. Ensure nothing can fly open during transit. Even lightweight items like canned goods or water bottles create problems when they move in groups. A messy interior isn't just untidy, it's unsafe. Spend 15 minutes securing your cargo and save yourself from dangerous weight shifts, expensive damage, and potential injuries. Your trailer's contents should enhance your trip, not threaten your safety. Every towing mistake we covered has wrecked someone's trip. What's the worst one you've ever witnessed or made? Drop your story in the comments below. And don't stop here. Our next video covers essential RV upgrades that could save your rig, your trip, or even your life. Until then, safe travels, and keep rolling smart.